In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time settings for Google Chrome. As we dive into this process, you'll discover just how simple it is to customize your browsing experience to suit your needs. To begin, let's head over to Chrome's settings. You can access these settings by clicking on the three dots located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once you click there, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the word Settings. When the options unfold, go ahead and click on it. A new tab on your browser will open, taking you straight into Chrome's heart, where all the magic happens, right within the Settings menu. Now, within these settings, direct your gaze to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll notice the Privacy and Security section. It's crucial that we navigate to this area because it controls many of the permissions and features relating to your browsing sessions. Once you've located it, click on Privacy and Security. This will open up a range of safety and privacy-related options. In the Privacy and Security section, find an option titled Site Settings. Clicking this will bring up a detailed list of controls and permissions that help manage how websites interact with your browser. As you scroll through, pay attention to each option. It's fascinating to see just how much you can personalize and secure your browsing experience. Now continue scrolling down until you see a section called Additional Permissions. This might require a bit of scrolling depending on how your settings are organized, but don't worry, it's all part of the journey. Under Additional Permissions, you'll find an option labeled Handlers. Click on this and prepare to interact with a feature many users might overlook. Once on the Handlers page, you'll see a switch for Sites Can Ask to Handle Protocols. This setting enables websites to request permission to handle time settings and other functionalities. Make sure to turn this switch on. By doing so, you're allowing websites to request to manage certain tasks directly through your browser, effectively granting them authorization to synchronize your browsing activities with accurate time settings and other useful services. And that wraps up the process. You've now successfully adjusted your Google Chrome settings to enable time management and handlers for various protocols. Remember, these steps not only improve the accuracy of time settings, but also may enhance your overall browsing experience by letting websites offer you more precise and tailored functionalities. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Happy browsing!